Welcome back, folks. If you have been following our channel, you know we have been exploring the fascinating world of AI and its impact on the hospitality industry. Today, we're diving deeper into the jobs that will be affected by this technological revolution. But before we begin, if you missed our previous video on the topic, make sure to check out The Fascinating World of AI, How It's Changing the Hospitality Industry, for a comprehensive overview. Liking this video helps us reach more viewers and grow this channel, so please hit that like button. Stay connected and never miss a video. Hit that subscribe button. Alright, let's get started. As we integrate AI into different jobs, it is important to remember that some roles may need to be adjusted. Training and upskilling will be essential to ensure that the human workforce can effectively collaborate with AI technologies. By leveraging AI as a tool, hospitality professionals can enhance their efficiency, creativity, and problem-solving abilities, providing even better service to guests. Before we start looking at the jobs that may be affected by AI, let's not forget the importance of human interaction and personalized service. Hospitality is all about creating emotional connections, anticipating guest needs, and exceeding expectations. While AI can handle certain tasks, its genuine smiles, warm conversations, and personalized recommendations from human staff that make a guest's stay truly remarkable. It's an exciting time for the industry as we embrace the possibilities that AI brings while maintaining the core values that make hospitality so special. Let's take a look at some of the jobs that may be affected. First up, front office operations. With the rise of AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants, checking in and getting information about your stay will be quicker than ever. These intelligent systems will handle routine inquiries, reservations, and even check-ins, giving front desk staff more time to focus on providing personalized service and creating memorable experiences. Next, we have housekeeping. Picture this: robots zipping through hallways, autonomously vacuuming, mopping, and delivering items to guest rooms. Yes, that's right. AI-powered robots are revolutionizing housekeeping, making tasks more efficient and freeing up time for human staff to deliver those extra touches that make a guest's stay unforgettable. Ah, the delightful world of food and beverage. AI is making its mark here too. Restaurants and bars are implementing AI-powered systems that take orders, track inventory, and even suggest personalized menu recommendations. Self-service kiosks and tabletop tablets are becoming popular, giving guests the freedom to order at their own pace while streamlining the overall dining experience. Now, before we continue, it's important to remember that while AI will reshape many jobs in the hospitality industry, it won't replace the value of human interaction and personalized service. The characteristics of this industry, such as warmth, empathy, and creating emotional connections, make it essential to have dedicated professionals who understand the unique needs and desires of each guest. If you find our content valuable and informative, we'd be thrilled if you could show your support by subscribing and liking this video. Let us also know your thoughts on the comment section. Now, let's talk revenue management. AI can work wonders behind the scenes, helping optimize inventory levels, predict demand, and set optimal pricing strategies. This means hotels and resorts can maximize their revenue potential while ensuring guest satisfaction. It's a win-win. Customer service, the heart and soul of the hospitality industry. While AI-powered chatbots can handle routine inquiries and provide support, human interaction remains paramount. The warm smiles, genuine care, and personalized recommendations that only a human touch can provide are what truly elevates the guest experience. Safety and security are of utmost importance in the hospitality industry. AI brings advancements in facial recognition and video analytics, enhancing security and surveillance systems. These technologies help identify potential threats, monitor access control, and keep guests safe, giving everyone peace of mind during their stay. Last but not least, we have the role of the concierge. AI can assist concierge teams by providing real-time information, making reservations, and suggesting local attractions. This allows concierges to focus on building relationships, offering insider tips, and curating personalized experiences that create lifelong memories. In conclusion, AI is set to revolutionize various jobs in the hospitality industry, from front office to housekeeping, food and beverage to revenue management, customer service to security, and concierge services. The integration of AI technologies will streamline operations, improve efficiency, and enhance the overall guest experience. However, let's always remember that the human touch and personalized service are what truly make hospitality special. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the impacts of AI on the hospitality industry. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Let us know in the comments if you think jobs in hospitality will be affected, and share your opinion on the future of AI in the hospitality industry. Until next time, stay tuned and embrace the amazing possibilities that AI brings to our beloved industry. See you next time.